So we just arrived at our rental for a couple days and I'm really excited to show y'all what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a mix of a tiny house and a regular house, and the decor is amazing. I was a little zoomed in, but yeah, let me show y'all what it looks like because like, I just can't contain myself. It's gorgeous. All right, so we have a little living area space here with a nice couch. I'm loving the poofs. A nice marble table, TV, fireplace. And from this viewpoint, it looks cute as well, y'all. So nice. Dining area, which I love that they put fresh flowers. The landscaping here is also absolutely gorgeous, but fresh flowers, the beautiful, beautiful decor. Cute little hidden places around the area like this tiling. I'm loving that. And then this island slash countertop is all marble. And it's amazing. Like I want this in my forever home, y'all. This is so cute. Nice little sink area and a nice view. I'm gonna have to show you all what outside looks like because it's amazing. We've got exposed cabinetry with the plates and everything. You've got all your utensils, a full stove and a full oven. There's probably a lot of good stuff in there. I did not check. Coffee maker, microwave, and a full fridge, y'all. We've got all of our bags here, but this is the entryway. I'm loving the door and the windows. The mirror is beautiful as well, and just all the elements that they have here, even like a space for your shoes. And then this is like a polished concrete floor, which is genius because it saves on money for tiling and it looks beautiful. Look, it's so cute. You've got rocking chairs, a fire pit, and then there's some roosters and chickens over there, y'all, like real live roosters. And then there is a grill and a table, washer and dryer with laundry soap and all the essentials. And then you should come straight through to the bathroom. And I'm loving this floor here. It's got lights underneath the cabinetry, which I'm just like, wow. And then there's me, hello. Standard toilet. And then the shower is so nice. It's so cute. Tiling, floor tiling, it's all just great. Got some extra towels right here. In the bedroom with a gigantic bed. Loving this. And then we've got full closets as well, which is very handy. Got an extra blanket and extra pillows. We've got some storage here. We even have a bookcase with real books. So that is it. I'm gonna go relax and put my feet up and enjoy this cute little house. Look below for the link. And yeah, let me do a little haul. I've got a plum in my hand now because I'm about to eat it. It's washed and everything. But we went to Trader Joe's and got these cheese crunchies, which are like Trader Joe's versions of hot Cheetos. Honey roasted peanuts. We've got some roasted peanuts, some tortilla chips, and then of course salsa, y'all. Folks just, you know, kind of stocked the fridge a little bit. So this is theirs here. And then I got some fruit, some bananas, apples, another plum. I got a bag of salad. And then in the freezer, I got, we've got waters, lots of waters actually. And then I thought we would try this tempura cauliflower. And yeah, what else do we have? I think that's it. Lots of water. So we're gonna be going to the mountains as well. So we thought we'd stock up on water. And then, yeah, I think that's it.